Hey there, young explorers. Ever wondered who keeps the animal kingdom squeaky clean? Get ready to meet nature's most amazing cleaning crews. First up, meet the bravest dental hygienist in the world, the Egyptian plover bird. This fearless little bird actually flies right into the crocodile's mouth to clean its teeth. Now, let's speak of the meerkats. These cute little guys are like best friends at a sleepover, taking turns cleaning each other's fur. They're so good at it that they never miss a spot. Imagine going through a car wash but underwater. That's what happens when sea turtles visit cleaner fish. These tiny fish are like underwater vacuum cleaners, swimming all around the turtle to remove dirt and tiny creatures from their shells. In the jungle, squirrel monkeys and capuchin monkeys are like professional hairstylists for each other. They search through each other's fur, removing any unwanted bugs or tangles. It's like having a best friend who's also your personal stylist. So remember, kids, in nature, staying clean is all about teamwork. Be like nature's neat freaks. Helping others is totally cool.